Aoshima, the Japanese island where cats outnumber people. Aoshima is a small Japanese island in Ehime Prefecture, known worldwide as the Cat Island. Once a quiet fishing settlement, it is now recognized for its unusual coexistence of humans and animals, as cats vastly outnumber the permanent residents. Cats were brought to the island in the mid-20th century to control rodents that threatened fishing equipment and food supplies. As the human population gradually declined due to migration and aging, the cats remained and continued to reproduce without natural predators. Today, only a few elderly residents live on Aoshima. The island has no developed tourist infrastructure, and visits are limited, allowing Aoshima to remain a peaceful place where cats live freely in an area that was once intended for people.